Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Annalisa if you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back. So today I have like a super exciting video for you guys. I'm going to be doing an unboxing and kind of a first impressions of the Bare Skin, which is by Shayla, and I'm super excited because the whole thing behind the brand is she created this brand so it creates kind of a body positivity like awareness, kind of pushing the boundaries of what is bathing suits and like bathing suit lines. And she includes like from sizes extra small to plus sizes, and her brand is like super inclusive, which I love, and there's something literally for everyone. She came out with this line like at the end of the summer, so it's pretty new, and I'm super excited for her to have sent me a package, and I'm gonna be reviewing her bathing suits. I have no idea what she sent me. I think just one bathing suit because I I was like, okay, this one like I really want, but other than that I have no idea what the other ones are. So we're gonna do a full try on haul, unboxing, all of that. And if you haven't already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a brand new video. Let's get into the video. Alright, so we have the package here, and we're gonna open it real quick. So first impressions, it comes in this, oh, this is so cute. It comes in like a garment bag kind of thing, which I like, and like a lot of bathing suit companies do this, so I'm glad that she did. It's just gonna be such an easy way to like take your stuff when you travel and all that, so I really love that. So let's open. Inside we got the card with her photo shoot, so you can see she has a variety of models, which we love, and I'm obsessed. And we got a little sticker. So here we go. Wait, stop. So first we have this bathing suit, and it's a one piece. Don't worry, I will try all these on, and it's like a pretty gray color. It's like super thick, which I love. The material is like bomb. I love this. Kylie swim who? Kylie could never. I'm done. Not for real though, like that. She literally has the tags on the bathing suit, like full to the T, branding to the T. I'm living. So this is one bathing suit. This is the second one. Oh, it's a cute little triangle bikini. This is the top, and it's in like a gold color. This is really pretty. I don't even think the camera's like picking up the color well enough, but this is really pretty. And then these are the bottoms, which are like tie-up bottoms. So this is cute. It's like a simple bathing suit, but like something I feel like everybody needs. And the one thing I do like is that the front is adjustable, so you can literally scrunch it up and make it as tiny as you want, or like you can stretch it out and make it as big as you want, which is literally like heaven sent, because sometimes you be getting bikinis and you think they're gonna fit and you're like, my cooch is not fitting that, sorry. But the next one we have, oh my god, this top I'm obsessed with. So this is the top. It's in this like dark chocolate brown, which I love. I'm like super into neutrals, so like all of these I'm super here for. Here's the top, and then here are the bottoms, which are the same kind of like bottoms as the last one, I think. Yeah, they're like the same kind of bottoms, so I love that. Super cute, because you can honestly even mix match. Like I would mix match these together and it would be a vibe. So here are the bottoms, and I love these. There's no padding, but honestly the material is like so thick that I don't really think you need padding. So we're gonna try these on and see how they look, and I'm super excited, so let's get into it. So this is the first one. I love this. The color looks so good too. It's like a gray. And this one you can literally tie however you want. Like, let me, the back, like, the strings are so long that you can tie it however. So I tied it like this. I just like went around and came this way and tied it. And it's secure. She's not going anywhere. But I really like this one. Super cute. It's super comfortable. And I feel like the material is so thick that, you know, when you get into water, you're splashing around, whatever. It's not gonna be see-through, so you don't have to worry. Because like sometimes I worry like with when I get colors like these, but this material is like really thick, so you don't even have to worry. And even this way that I tied it, like the girls are secure. So they're not going anywhere. I feel like myself. So let's try on the next one. This is the next one. And they're so soft. Like it literally feels like I have nothing on, which is kind of scary when you're in a bathing suit. But it's like in a good way. You have so much room to do like anything with these strings. So you can make it as tight as you want, as loose as you want. You could probably even like, I've seen people do like those designs so like they tie it on one side and they like kind of wrap it around. You could even do that. Like that would be such a vibe. It'd be so cute. But yeah. I'm not gonna show bottom, back of the bottom, because I'm not even monetized on YouTube, but like I don't want any like copyright strikes, or I mean not copyright strikes. I don't want anything that would hurt my chances of becoming monetized. Okay, so with this top, I know on my end, I can't wear tops like this. It's originally supposed to go like this, but it cuts off like the boob in a weird way for me. So I just like kind of stray away from these bathing suits, but I like it like this. So this is how I would wear it. And I think it's still really cute. Like, I still think it's a vibe like this. It's not how it's supposed to be, but it's just me and my body. But it's fine. So this is the last one. And I love it. Like, I love this color. It's such like a deep chocolate brown. It just looks so good. If y'all haven't already, like, go shop. All her stuff is gonna be in the description box. I'm gonna leave all the all the links, all the websites, all the social media, so you guys can follow. And make sure to go show some love and tell her Nani sent you. Overall, I think Shayla did her thing, and this is a vibe. And she's gonna be coming out with like some new stuff, so make sure you go follow her socials. Everything is gonna be linked down below. If you're willing to support a small business, a Latina creator, a Latina like owned brand, come on, what are you doing? Give her your money. No, I'm just kidding, but I'm obsessed and I think you should be too. I think this was enough. I think this was enough of a convincing factor for you to go shop. So make sure you go shop Bearskin, and the website is thebearskin.com. So I'll leave everything down in the description box and you can go pick your favorites and, you know, tag her on the IG when you get your stuff, do all that. But yeah, Shayla, you did your thing. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.